Many people struggle with box jumps because they're unsure of the technique or worry about getting hurt. This can slow down their progress and make workouts less effective, but don't worry, I'm here to help. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Josh. I'm a fitness trainer. I've been training for over 20 years. I compete in events such as CrossFit, high rocks, mud runs, triathlons, Spartan races, you name it. You like watching content that is simple, straight to the point, that takes out all the fluff, all the blah 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 of all these fitness videos that are long for no reason. They're telling you information that you don't want to, that you don't care, or that you don't want to know. You know, this is a channel for you. Alright, I get straight to the point, cut out the fluff, so you can spend less time trying to figure it out through someone's video and more time actually making progress. If that's what you like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Let's start off by choosing the correct box jump height for your level of fitness. If you are new to box jumps or applied metrics, start with the lower height, like 12 inches. This allows you to focus on developing proper technique, coordination, and confidence without injury or risk. If you've been training for a while and feel comfortable with your jump, 18 inches could be a good starting point. This height challenges your explosiveness while still allowing for controlled and safe landings. And for all of my advanced lifters such as myself who have mastered their form and have high level of lower body strength and power, 24 inches or higher can be used. However, it's essential to ensure your technique remains solid at this height. Now you may be asking yourself, why does the box jump height matter? Box jump height matter because the higher the box, the more challenging it is to maintain proper landing mechanics. Landing with your feet slightly bent and in line with your toes is crucial to avoid injury. If you find yourself landing with your knees caving in or your toes, the box might be too high. Now, for all those who do not feel comfortable with any box, you could take a 45 plate like I have here and do the exact same thing until you build your confidence up. Then you could slowly progress until a 12-inch box, and then to an 18-inch box, and so forth. Now, let's talk about foot placement. When you're placing your feet, you want to keep it at shoulder width apart. You don't want to do it too close because you're not going to generate enough power. You want to keep it right at shoulder width apart, which is your natural jump stance. You don't want it too wide because, again, you will not generate enough explosive power in order to get up on the box. Now let's talk about actual technique of jumping on the box. As you can see here, I am not using my arms. Therefore, I am not getting explosive power like I should, nor do I want to. However, when I use my arms, as you can see, I generate way much more explosive power and force through the floor and jumping on the box, which makes it a lot more easier. Try this out. Sit on the floor in an LC position and just try to jump off the ground with your butt. You will see that you will not get the explosive power. However, when you use your arms like this, then you can see you will get much higher off the ground. Now let's talk about the landing. As you reach the box, aim to land with your knees slightly bent to absorb the impact. This is where the squat position comes into play. Your feet should land flat on the box, about shoulder width apart, ensuring stability. As you land, push your hips back slightly as sitting into a squat position. This engages your glutes, hamstrings, and distributes the impact more evenly across your lower body. Ensure your knees are aligned with your toes, not caving inward or outward. This reduces stress on the knee joints. Keeping your chest up and back straight to avoid rounding your spine. This ensures you maintain balance and reduces the risk of lower back strain. Now, why is this important? It is important to be able to land in the correct position because it reduces joint stress, it protects your spine, better balance, controlled descent, efficient force transfer, and of course, proper movement, avoiding injuries, preventing ankle springs, etc., etc., etc. I could keep going on and on and on. And this is the part where you don't want to do. You do not want to jump hard on the box. Why? Because you will mess up your knees. Trust me. Your ACL, your MCL would definitely feel it. Alright? I don't care how soft the box is. Next, you do not want to jump down from the box. Once again, why? Because this would tear your knees up. What you want to do is step down from the box. I don't care if you're in a competition or trying to go for speed or whatever, this will save your knees and your back and your ligaments. All right. You also do not want to jump half on the box. All right. As you can see, I'm just using my tiptoes and my heels are off. My chest is also facing towards the ground. You do not want this position because this is an incorrect box. It will not count as a rep. Then you also have to hunch over. As you can see, chest is towards the ground. That is a big no-go. Now, for those of you that stay to the end, I have a little treat for you. If you want to cycle your box jumps as fast as humanly possible, try this technique out. Aim for the corners. All right, everything still applies. Jump with the force, go sideways. Do not turn your body completely towards the box. You want to angle it at a 45 degree. All you want to do is attack the corners. As you can see, I'm cycling real fast, staying low and safe. Too easy. And of course, if you like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I answer all my comments as soon as possible. So if you have any questions, follow-up questions, or you want to see me do any more of the videos, post in the comments. You could also message me on my other social media accounts and I will respond to you. If you need free programs, go to joshelift.com. Make yourself a free account and just download the free PDFs. All right, I try to update them at least once or twice a month because I actually sit down and I actually write all my programs. I'll see you in the next video.